Hi, so I'm showing you flat 14C Oakfield Drive in Dumfries, which is a one-bedroom flat. It's up on the second floor and it's just been renovated, ready for the next tenant. And I'm going to take you first of all into the living room, which is open plan to the kitchen. As you can see there, nice new carpets, walls are all nice and repainted, heating's by electric panel. And I'll show you the view out the front, open to the hills, so lovely views all around here, and good enough in here for a sofa and a chair and TV table, plenty of room. And then the kitchen, which has been refitted, it's got some base and wall units. We've got contrasting work surfaces over, stainless steel sink and drainer. We have space under there for a washing machine and plumbing, potentially get a small fridge in there as well, but there is space here where you could put a fridge unit, possibly even a tall fridge freezer. So that's your kitchen. The bedroom is a double. Again, the carpets, the new carpets, as you can see, all been laid and all matching. Again, nice clean walls, plenty of room for a double bed, bedside cabinets, lovely views again there out to the side elevation. And then we have here a sliding cupboard, wardrobe where you can keep your items. It does contain the hot water cylinder, but there's some shelving up there and plenty of space for you to put away your own items. There's also a sliding storage cupboard out there in the hallway as well for coats, hoovers, that sort of thing. The bathroom also just been refitted. We have a low-level WC. We've got a wash hand basin. It's all been fitted with the splash panels, and we have an electric shower which goes over the bath. So that's your bathroom. So a second floor, one bedroom apartment, nice order, lovely views from the front elevations and side elevations, now available with hunters.